an amazing day it is today, everyone. Welcome to LOL Learning Out Loud Puchan on the Move. It's been a while and I'm so excited to have all of you here with us and our special guests. Let's hear it loud and clear for Teacher Alice. And from our fantastic third graders, put your hands together for Ollie and Dorothy.
Hello, Teacher Eunice.
Good day, everyone. Imagine traveling across the ocean without plan, meeting Superman or Batman and just say hi, or going to America or Japan in just a minute.
Did you know that we can make that happen? And that journey begins with a book. Come with us as we explore the world. In 3, 2, 1.
What's World Book Day?
What? World Book Day?
Here it is, World Book Day is celebrated every year on April 23rd to honor the joy of reading and the importance of books. It's a day when people around the world come together to celebrate story, imagination, and knowledge.
Is that it? Oh wow, thank you, Ollie.
In addition, every page is a journey. Every book is a word waiting to be discovered. And on our birthday, we celebrate the power of imagination, the joy of reading, and the endless possibilities that will give us.
Let's bro Dorothy. Excellent.
How about reading? What is reading?
Reading is more than just a school skill. It's a gateway to understanding the world and ourselves. Through books, we travel to places we have never seen, meet people we have never met, and experience emotions beyond our own lives.
That's right, Teacher Alice. So today, we're not just talking about books. We're talking about power. The power to explore, the power to understand, the power to become more than we were yesterday. All you have to do is turn the page. Let's begin.
Lights, camera, action! Books, books, books. Let's talk about books.
Hello, Teacher Alice. Your favorite book is The Very Hungry Caterpillar, right? Why is this your favorite book?
The story is simple but very meaningful. Its colorful, logic illustration also make reading interactive and fun. What struck me most Erica's unique artistic style. The vibrant colors and texture bring the caterpillar's journey to life.
That's good to hear, Teacher Alice. And Ollie, you want the book Gruffalo. Who is your favorite character and why?
Of course, the mouse is so clever and a quick thinker. Oh, in the story, he meets a fox, an owl, and a snake, all of whom want to eat him. But he doesn't panic. Using his imagination, he invents a scary creature called a Gruffalo, frightens the fox, the owl, and the snake away, saving his own life.
Interesting, Ollie. And for you, Dorothy, it's not easy being a bunny. Can you tell us your favorite part of the story?
I love that book, especially the ending. It's when PJ got back home to his family and realized that he loves being a bunny. Actually,
When he sees his family.
when he sees his family, he's very happy.
He's very happy.
He's very happy, and he very.
And for me,
And for me, this is the best part of the book.
wow, it's just wow. I love hearing all your answers. We can really see the magic of a book and how do these books teach us. But I'm just curious, for you, Teacher Alice, which part of the story made you laugh, smile, or feel excited?
I enjoy seeing him eat different fruits, from an apple to a giant vegetable that gave him a stomachache. The best part is when the tiny caterpillar turns into a beautiful butterfly. It teaches me that growth takes time and a lot of energy. It's a classic for reason.
That's hilarious, Teacher Ellie. For me, I felt nervous when the little mouse met the real Gruffalo. The monster wanted to eat him with a slice of bread, but he saw all the plan. Tricked the monster. He fooled the monster and ran away. Ooh, what an ending!
Wow, what a great story. And for me, it taught me that it's great to be myself. In the air, home is the best place to be. Our family loves us for who we truly are. And the story reminds us to be proud of ourselves every single day.
What a powerful and passionate story, Dorothy. Wait, I think we need to take note your stories. First, the very hungry caterpillar, Gruffalo, and it's not easy being a bunny. These are really amazing.
Yes, Teacher Eunice, and you know what? Through story and the character books teach us important life lessons. It's ways that capture our imagination.
That's right, Teacher Alice. Books are like magical doors. When we open them, they take us to new worlds, introduce us to new things, and teach us lessons that stay with us for life.
Reading is a superpower for your brain. It lets you soar, dive, and explore without leaving your chair.
That's true. Every book you open is a new adventure waiting for you.
Books are not just a story, they are wings for your mind.
The more you read, the more places your mind can go.
Reading is your superpower. I like it every day.
What a great day it is. Once again, I am Teacher Eunice, your host, and this is LOL Learning Out Loud Puchan on the Move. So, what are you waiting for? Pick up a book. Your next great story is waiting for you. Turn the page, spark your mind, and let the fun begin. See you next time.
Goodbye.